Hi guys, today's video is about the newly released Realme GT 3 Pro by Me Company. So in this video I hope to talk very briefly about the features, camera, battery, and price of this phone. Realme GT 3 Pro is the upcoming mobile phone from Realme which is expected to launch on March 20th, 2023 unofficial. The mobile phone will come with adequate specifications and good specifications. Rumors have spread that this phone will be available at a starting price of $659. That means you can buy it for Rs 207,513 in Sri Lankan currency. The Realme GT 3 Pro is said to run Android V12 operating system and may be equipped with a 5100 mAh battery that allows you to enjoy games, listen to songs, watch movies, and more for a long time without worrying about battery drain. This upcoming phone from Realme is tipped to come with 12GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. So, you will be able to store all your songs, videos, games, and more on the phone without worrying about running out of space. Additionally, the handset is likely to be equipped with a powerful octa-core 3 GHz, single-core, Cortex-X2 plus 2.5 GHz, tri-core, Cortex-A710 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A510 processor. Seamless performance while accessing multiple apps and playing graphics-intensive games. Talking about the camera specifications, Realme's phone is rumored to feature a single camera setup at the back. 64MP plus 64MP plus 5MP can be had so you can click some lifelike pictures. Features of the rear camera setup may include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. On the front, the Realme GT 3 Pro is expected to come with a 32MP camera for selfies and video chats. The phone features a 6.75-inch 17:15 cm display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels so you can enjoy watching movies or playing games. Realme GT 3 Pro is expected to come with various connectivity options supported by Wi-Fi 800 2.11, B or G or N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.2, and 5 grams device, 4 grams, 3 grams, 2 grams. Moreover, the sensors of the smartphone may include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So guys, today's video brought the details found about the Realme GT 3 Pro. So I think if there was anything you should know about Realme GT 3 Pro from today's video, you will know. So guys, I hope to make videos like this in the future. So please subscribe my channel and join in future.
Do about it.